Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we put everything go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. We know that the square root of s that is about 1 over 2. The integration of this one you got about second derivative. This one in here we have s to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1. And the second one that's about negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. And we have 6s and we put about c. So we simplify this is about 3 over 2. This is about 3 over 2. This is about negative number 2. This one is about negative number 2. So we put the integration for the both sides. So this one you got about first derivative. So this one we have s to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1 plus s to the power of negative number 2 plus 1 over negative number 2 plus 1. And we have 6s squared over 2. And this one you got about cs. C in here just likely the number. And we have d, that's about another constant. So this one we have 5 over 2. This one we have 5 over 2. This one you got about negative number 1. This one you have negative number 1. 6 divided by 2 we have number 3. This one we can write into negative 1 over s. 70 divided by 5 over 2. You got about 28. Now we put the integration for the both sides again. The integration of this one you got about y. So we have 5 over 2 plus 1 over 5 over 2 plus 1 minus ln of the absolute value of s. And we have s to the power of 3 over 3 cs squared over 2 ds. And we have e. That's about the third of constant in here. This one you got about 7 over 2. This one you got 7 over 2. This one we simplify. (28) divided by 7 over 2. You got about number 8. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.